AI Engine Management Point of View and Explain AI/ML. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. This deep neural network, DNN, diagram titled Deep Neural Network for Caprolactam Plant, AI-Driven PMP illustrates how AI/ML can be applied in the process manufacturing industry, specifically in a caprolactam plant, from a project management and AI engine management perspective. Let me break it down into key layers and explain the AI/ML management point of view. Small blue diamond 1. Input layer, industrial sensors/process data. Each input node represents real-time process parameters collected via IoT/SCADA sensors. Raw material flow, temperature, pressure, energy consumption, catalyst, magnifying glass tilted left. These are raw, structured data points. AI/ML engines pre-process and normalize this data before feeding it into the network. Small orange diamond 2. Hidden layer 1, operational optimization layer. Nodes. Operational optimization 1. Operational optimization 2. Operational optimization 3. Brain. This layer performs feature transformation and process control tuning, optimizing reaction conditions, catalyst usage, energy efficiency. AI/ML management focus. Selection of optimization algorithms, example reinforcement learning, gradient descent. Model training using historical process data. Continuous learning from new data. Yellow circle 3. Hidden layer 2, middle management analytics. Nodes. Middle management analysis 1. Middle management analysis 2. Bar chart. These nodes represent decision support tools for middle managers. Alerts for anomaly detection. Performance dashboards. AI-driven reports. AI/ML management point. Define KPIs. Integration of AI analytics into MES/ERP systems. Improve operator guidance and production scheduling. Orange circle 4. Hidden layer 3, executive/top management decision support. Node. Top management decision support. Puzzle piece. This consolidates insights and forecasts. Financial impact predictions. Strategic AI recommendations. Scenario simulations. AI engine focus. Explainable AI, XAI, for transparency. Business impact visualizations. Model governance and risk control. Red circle 5. Output layer, business goals and results. Nodes. Quality control. Cost reduction. Process optimization. Direct hit. This layer delivers the tangible outcomes of AI/ML deployment. Tighter quality standards. Reduction in operational costs. Data-driven process optimization. AI/ML management activities. Monitor model KPIs, accuracy, latency. Implement feedback loops. Deploy models via MLOps pipelines. Brain. AI/ML engine management perspective. From a management and architectural standpoint, here's what happens. Phase responsibility area. Data strategy. Define data collection, cleansing, and storage pipelines. Model design. Architect deep learning models, example DNNs, LSTM, CNNs. Training and validation. Ensure dataset labeling, split for training/testing, validate. Deployment, MLOps, CI/CD for ML, model monitoring and performance checks. Feedback loop. Continuously retrain models using production data. Business integration. Align AI outcomes with business KPIs like ROI, quality, safety. Office worker role of the AI architect/PMP lead. As shown in the title, the AI-driven PMP, project management professional, plays a dual role. Blue Book author and designer of AI strategies. Building construction builder and overseer of AI pipelines for engineering and chemical industries. Use of AI engine in Caprolactam Plant, based on the diagram. Small blue diamond input layer, real-time industrial data. Captured by IoT sensors and fed into the AI engine. Raw material flow, for mass balance and process efficiency. Temperature and pressure, for reactor conditions and safety. Energy consumption, for cost and sustainability. Catalyst, for reaction speed and product yield. Right arrow. These inputs become features for the AI model. Small orange diamond hidden layer 1, operational optimization. Trained AI models process the inputs and recommend process adjustments. Alarm triggers. Optimal machine settings. Examples. Adjust catalyst dosing for better yield. Reduce pressure spikes automatically. Small orange diamond hidden layer 2, middle management analysis. Focus on trend analysis. Efficiency comparisons. Deviations and bottlenecks. AI engine supports. Dashboards. KPI predictions. Anomaly detection in plant behavior. Orange circle decision support, executive layer. Top management receivers. Forecasts, cost reduction, quality outcomes. Strategic alerts. AI-based recommendations for investment or process redesign. Right arrow. Augmented intelligence enables faster, data-backed decisions. Red circle output layer, business outcomes. Quality control, predicts defects and suggests real-time corrections. Cost reduction, optimizes energy, raw material, and labor costs. Process optimization, maximizes throughput and minimizes downtime. Thank you.